are new here, this is my cat Boop. My name is Erika Jane. I like to make a ton of random videos. Alright, we're getting locked out. Anything from recipes, crafts, cleaning, you name it. If I am interested in it, I will probably make a video on it. Into today. It is Friday morning now, taking it very slow. Okay, rotated sides. All right, yeah, so it is Friday morning now, starting very slow. I barely just woke up. It's like right after 8. Partner just left for work, and we are just chilling now, me and Boop. Having my tea. I kind of have a headache. I think it's the weather though. It's been like very humid all of a sudden. Like it was like 16 degrees like last week, and now it's 38 today with humidity. So I think it's just like the change in pressure, because we're like in Nova Scotia, and we definitely got affected. Not affected, I shouldn't say that. We had no remnants of the hurricane except rain, just from it being in the Atlantic Ocean. And I think that's what's happening now, because there's like other hurricanes also like in the Atlantic basin, and they're not near Nova Scotia, but I think like, I don't know, I'm trying to learn more about that, how the pressure, all of that affects us, and like even when we're not getting the hurricane directly. But yeah, I digress. My head hurts, taking it a little slow this morning. We actually have quite a bit to do around the house, but I also don't want to push it. I have some laundry to do. I generally try and keep up with laundry on like Tuesday and Thursday afternoons, because I usually just work half days, but this week I worked full days like between both jobs, so I have fallen very behind in laundry. So definitely a few loads of laundry today. Really need to clean the bathroom. Kind of vacuumed a couple days ago, so it's not as bad, so I might not do it today. We'll see. Definitely could do like some dusting, clean up the fridge, that kind of stuff. Kitty litter. Yeah, just a lot of random house stuff. Got some laundry to put away that's already hung up. Yeah, we'll see. Maybe we'll try and get outside for a walk too. It's like just 38. Might be one of the last days to go to the beach, so maybe that'll be a good push. But now I'm drinking my tea, take it slow. I read a little bit. I'm really into thriller novels. Or someone who likes thriller novels, or like page, like can't put them down. Totally recommend this book. This, oh my god, it was such a, like, I was hooked from like the start, and then by the end I like literally finished it sobbing, because it was just such a wild ending. Like I was like, oh my god. Like Connor was like, are you okay? So I was just in bed reading, but just like literally sobbing. So recommend this. And then now I'm starting this one. Sweet guy. Hi, buddy. Hi. Hello. Okay, yeah. It's visual for what we're working with. Dishes. Laundry. More laundry. Also, more laundry. I need to wash the bedding. So, I'll start here, strip the bed, and then I'm gonna soak these clothes. And then I'll wash the bedding while those are soaking, and then switch the loads. right, back, got dressed, kind of ready for the day. Not really, still wearing the same shirt, but put on shorts. Just took out my braid, put on a headband, you know, base cream, ready. So I'm in here because the washing machine and stuff is really loud. But I think now I'm just going to stop and kind of plan out like the rest of the weekend, not weekend, but like gentle plan for the week, because we're gonna go into the city on Sunday, and usually I like to do that stuff then. So I think it'll be helpful to get this kind of stuff done now, then I don't have to worry about it. And then I'm going to clean the bathroom. I also think I'm gonna go out to the garden. I'm going to go to the garden and check on the herbs, because I think some of them are like, I have to harvest them soon, and I'll try and dry them, like just hang them in the window for like a couple weeks. So yeah, let's go. So I could plan it out just like each day, and then so many. Just like a rough idea. So Friday done. I don't think I'll really do one for Saturday in general. I'll just do Saturday and Sunday. Find that easier. So Sunday, Katie ordered a shower because I did it today. I try and do it every 2 days. Actually, we're gonna have to do lunch prep then too. Okay, so did the plan for the week, finished up my YouTube video, and then responded to some comments and just stuff like that. And now I think I am going to set up my clothes for the week, because I am that person. And I love it, it helps so much. So I'm gonna get that ready so I don't have to think about it. So let's do it. Look at this harvest. So many herbs, 2 beans, 1 pepper. We already harvested most of the cucumbers, so there's like, I want to say like 6 jars of pickles, like the big mason jars. So that's exciting. The tomatoes did not seem to do as well. We have a few tomatoes, but they're not even ripe yet, and it's like September. So I think just those might just not work. But that's fair. We had a good harvest of herbs and cucumbers, I would say. So now hang these up. Okay, I think this might be the spot I hang them because there's like the little racks here. We already have our jam here and it's dark for the most part, like no sun really gets over here. So I think that's the best way to go. Alright, so here's how it came out. I feel like it worked really well. I'll have a decent amount of space to hang. Oregano here, dill, basil, and then rosemary. And then blueberry jam and strawberry jam. Alright, so the herbs are all harvested. Got them all hung up. Laundry, second load, is in the dryer now. I kind of want to sweep this room, but I don't know if I can lift all of those tires. Because like Boop still uses the kitty litter here, but then there's like kitty litter all over the floor. So I might try and move out the bikes. Like, I'll start in this room, move everything out into there, vacuum here, move this stuff back in, then vacuum out there. I think that's the plan. Then the bathroom. How much mud was on the tires? Oh god, everywhere. It sounds funny because we drive a Civic, but our road was under construction for literally like a year and it was just dirt, like it was completely ripped up. Our car got fucked, like literally we brought it to the mechanic and they said there was over 40 pounds of mud underneath it. We had to pay extra because there was so much mud in there, which is like comical, also sad. Our car. But what can you do?
laundry is done, folded, put away. Bed is made now. What else? The bathroom's clean. And that's about it. And now it's 2. So that was a decent stretch of cleaning. And I'm quite tired. So I kind of feel like taking a bath. So I think I might take a bath. And might make a coffee. I don't know. Haven't had a coffee in a while. Maybe a matcha instead. We'll see. And just chill maybe for the rest of the afternoon. We briefly talked about going out for dinner. We briefly talked about going out for dinner last night for like tonight because I was feeling like sushi, and ordering sushi is just more expensive, but there is all you can eat sushi from the same place. You just have to go in. So I think we might try and do that tonight. Hoping, because that'd be delicious. And then we don't really have a ton of other plans. Saturday, probably low key, need to get some groceries and stuff. Alright, out of the bath, got changed into my comfy dress. Now I'm just going to enjoy a cup of tea and watch some YouTube while maybe I do some editing or just some random things like that. So that is all for today. I'll likely show some clips from dinner when we go out or later this evening, but this will probably be all I film chatting wise. So thank you so much for watching. I so appreciate your presence here. I love making videos and just enjoy putting content out, so I would still make it if no one was watching, but it is way more fun that there are people engaging, and almost at 100 subscribers, which is wild to me. So stay tuned, maybe we'll do a 100 subscriber giveaway. Celebrate. All right, happy Sunday. I hope you have a wonderful week, and we'll see you next Sunday. Bye.